Hello champs, are you ready for a journey of a lifetime? Buckle up, because today we are heading into space to explore the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. And we are not just stopping at Jupiter, we are also going to explore some of its amazing moons. Now, the first thing you should know about Jupiter is that it is a giant. If you thought Earth was big, think again. Jupiter is so big that over 1300 Earths could fit inside it. That's huge. Finally, we have reached Jupiter. That was a long journey, 843 million kilometers. More than 21,000 times going around the Earth. Let's quickly land our jet on our new home. But wait, what's happening? Where is the surface of the Jupiter? So friends, Jupiter is a gaseous planet. Means there is no soil or rock or any kind of surface here. It's just one large lump of gases like hydrogen and helium, just like Sun. It also has some other gases like methane and some water vapor on it. So Jupiter, my cosmic friends, is one enormous ball of gas. And this enormous planet isn't lonely. It has a lot of company. Jupiter has 92 moons. Yes, you heard it right. 92 moons. There's a kind of race between Saturn and Jupiter on who has the highest number of confirmed moons. As of 2023, it's Jupiter that is winning it with 92 confirmed satellites of its own. Today, we are going to talk about 4 of the biggest ones, and they are called Galilean moons, named after the great scientist Galileo Galilei, who discovered them first. The first moon is Io. Io is the most volcanic place in our solar system. It's covered in volcanoes that erupt and spew out sulfur, giving Io its yellow and orange color. It's clearly not the place to go for vacations. Next up is Europa. Europa is special because it has thick layer of ice on its surface. But beneath that, scientists believe there is vast ocean of liquid water, even more than all the water on Earth. Who knows, maybe there are alien fishes swimming around in there. And who knows, maybe one day you guys will swim and fish there too. The third moon is Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is the only moon to have its own magnetic field, just like our Earth. Last but not the least, we have Callisto. It's the most heavily cratered object in our solar system, meaning it has been hit by many asteroids and comets over billion of years. We don't realize this, but on Earth we are protected by atmosphere, the thick layer of air surrounding us. This layer protects us from harmful UV rays of Sun as well as cosmic wanderers, the comets and meteors. One visit to Callisto will tell you how bad Earth would be without our protective layer of atmosphere. Without the atmosphere, their meteors will hit the Earth regularly, making the life impossible. So there we have it, space explorers, the majestic planet Jupiter and its 4 largest moons. Each one of them is unique and full of mysteries. The next time you look up in the sky, try to find Jupiter and imagine those fascinating moons. So guys, hope you are having fun, and if you want more such lessons to land right in your feed, like and subscribe to Kaizen Micro Lessons. Now is the time to know some fun facts about Jupiter. First, Jupiter is huge. Jupiter is so huge that all the other planets can fit inside it, and it will still have some room left. Second, Jupiter is not just large, it's heavy too. Despite being made of gases only, Jupiter is twice as heavy as all other planets put together. One super cool feature about Jupiter is Great Red Spot. It might look like a giant swirling red marble from the space, but actually it's a storm that has been raging on Jupiter for at least 300 years. The storm is so big that it can swallow 2 Earths. Next, now you might think that only Saturn has rings, but that's not true. Jupiter has rings too. They are just a lot thinner and harder to see. These rings are made up of tiny bits of dust that Jupiter's moons kick up when they get hit by small space rocks. Actually, Uranus and Neptune too have thin, dark and faint rings. So 4 out of 8 planets of solar system have rings. Next, some scientists call Jupiter a failed star. According to them, Jupiter has everything that is needed to become a star, which is large size, gases like hydrogen and helium. But while Jupiter is large for a planet, it is not so large to trigger a fusion reaction for it to become a star. Just imagine if Jupiter had become a star, then Earth would have been confused which sun to orbit. Maybe we would have witnessed 2 sunrises and sunsets in that case. Now is the quiz time, and let's see how much you know about Earth's big brother, Jupiter. Here is your first question. Name the Jupiter's largest moon. Yes, the answer is Ganymede. Second, the famous storm raging on the planet Jupiter for 300 years is popularly called? The answer is Great Red Spot. Our next question, is Jupiter a rocky planet or a gaseous planet? And last one, here take the odd one out based on the rings of the planet. Well, the odd one out is Venus. All the 3 other planets, Neptune, Saturn and Jupiter, have rings of their own. So thank you for joining us today on our cosmic journey. Remember, keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, goodbye and keep reaching for the stars. And if you want more such videos to land your feet, like and subscribe to Kaizen Micro Lessons.